Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path to Trading Partners. So let's check in on NEO. NEO, we were watching the 59.79 level. It paused there. It enabled us to do another projected level lower, and we had the cluster at 54.90 to 55.16, spiking just below that, then a strong reversal there. So that's what we have now with this pattern. Let me update these levels. Sorry about the whining in the background. That's the new rescue dog. We're watching now. It looks like we're going to get the first cross rotation zone. So if this pullback, especially on a pullback to 67.43 holds, and we get a rotation back up, then we're going to be watching for a return to 74.02, declining 50 and a cluster area. Then if we get through that 76.40, but this 74.02 or the 74 level is going to be very, very key. If we do pull back, let's see where the major pullback area is. 61.88 to 59.46 is going to be key on any pullback. We don't want to see it drop below 59.46. If it does pull back, we want to see a rotation up there. That's really all on the 4 hour. Let's check in on the daily. All right, we've just reinforced that level again. So right now, that 74 level, we've got the declining 8 there. So if we hold here and move up, that's a definitely area, if you did any buying here, to move your stop back up. Okay, you don't want it to hit this and then rotate strongly down. We've left along a nice long tail. So now that can be moved. Let me move some of this out of the way so you see this. If we do pull back that 0.5 to 0.625 and rotate back up, that's a very strong buying area on the daily pattern, but you want to keep a tight stop on there because you don't want to close below that 62.5 level. Now, on a stronger rally, we'll be watching for a return to the 85 level. Switching over to NEM, XEM, you see it spiked down. We got a nice little pause here, projected the next level down at about 0.2415. We got down to 2.2426. Strong move back into the rotation zone. Pretty much closed on top and then collapsed back down. This is not a very strong pattern right now. Let's see what we've retraced here. So we've already retraced. Watch for this. If this closes below the 20.27 mark, that's really not a good sign. There's key support right below there, but you don't want to close below the 2.7. Then we'll be watching for it to retest the lows. So not much else to do here. The next major cluster area, if it does head lower and break to new lows, is 0.22. Now, what we need to get some strength in us to be interested in looking at this from a buy perspective is to really get a close above about 0.3085 area. Then we'd be watching for a return to the 0.333 area. Let's check in on that daily chart. Daily chart couldn't even get to the 8. This is a strong reversal candle. So let's see. We got strong reversal candle in both ways. Let's see which one wins out. But right now, it's really got to hold this key support to give us any interest in looking to buy it. Otherwise, we'd have to wait for a more better bottoming pattern, because if it does break the 625, the probability shift in the favor that it will go retest the lows. Doesn't mean it has to go to new lows. It could go form a double bottom or something like that, but it's just not something we want to rush in and buy. So what we have for you on NEM, XEM, and NEO, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.